I received this hydroponic growing system by a brand called Growell, and I wanted to show you what it looks like out of the box. So it's going to take me a little while to grow something, but I want to show you what it comes with. So this is what the unit looks like. It's like this. It's a nice size that you can put in your house if you want to grow herbs or things like that. And then this is the light system. You can see right here. And then it's got a tray that comes off right here that you stick the little seed pods through like that. And then inside of it, it's got a bunch of stuff that you use to grow the plants. So it's got some little tubes that you stick the plants in. It's got little grow pods, like nourishment with dirt in here. A couple of those. It's got some types of stakes. And some more of the little pods. So it's got some tags. And some lids for the pods. And then it also comes with the plug. So it plugs in like this with one of these. And then in here, it's got some plant nourishment little capsules. They come like that. So it's really got everything that you need, and it's really nice because it's great, I think, to have a kitchen garden, especially if you can't grow stuff outside. And you could grow at any time of the year, so it's really nice and convenient. And I'm looking forward to growing a bunch of herbs because I love to use them for cooking.